Thou nature art my goddess, to thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, for I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Why, bastard? Wherefore base? When my dimensions are as well compact, my mind is generous, and my shape as true as honest madame's issue, why brand they us with base? Bastardy base. Base. Who in the lusty stealth of nature take more composition and fierce quality than doth, within a dull, stale, and tired bed, and go to creating a whole tribe of fops, gone tween asleep and awake? Ah, my legitimate Edgar, I must have your land. Our father's love is to the bastard Edmund, as to the legitimate. Funny word, legitimate. Well, my legit mate, if this letter speed and my invention thrive, Edmund the bastard shall top the legitimate. I grow, I prosper. Now gods, stand up for bastards.